So I'm gonna do another braid wig today. This hair was brought to you by the Braid Queen. I don't know how they come up with this, but I appreciate it because you guys save us time, money, and patience, okay? It's super, super cute, super convenient, and they got this on lock all the way to the ends. Like, the ends are so beautiful, so neat. The back isn't lace. It's just tracks and wefts, but you're not able to see it by the way the hair lays. This is the construction here. You have all lace in the front. You have a lot of space here. So it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the sides and then 1 in the back of the nape. And it also comes with this here band, which makes it very much snug. And it also has an adjustable band. So this should be highly, highly secure. But I'm going to take it off and I'm going to go ahead and put this one right on and then see what it is that we need to or not to do. So. Yes, I think this looks freaking amazing. Like, nobody's gonna be able to tell that this is a wig. At least I don't think so. Yes, I think this is super amazing, and there's so many different hairstyles you can do with it. I'm gonna put it up, I'm gonna put it to the side, just kind of like play with it. With this red lip, I think it's popping. You're getting everything with this wig. You're getting a style for less, you're getting the maintenance for less, you're getting the time for less. It's just a beautiful wig. My husband is gonna be so dumbfounded, like, where did you go and when did you have the time to get your hair done? Babe, it only took me about 5-10 minutes. Yeah, so I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.